In this video, I will show you Trojan on Solana tutorial, how to use Trojan Bot to trade Solana. Trojan is the ultimate on-chain trading experience. You may experience seamless and secure transaction directly on the blockchain. With Trojan trading tools, it gives precise solution that gives you the ultimate edge in trading. Its unparalleled performance, unrivaled results, experience the Trojan difference. It provides Trojan and you a relationship like a professional. Trojan is your ultimate tool for trading on chain. Trade like a pro and gain your edge over other traders. But how exactly are you going to use Trojan Bot to trade Solana? You can get started in 4 simple steps. First, you have to access the Trojan on Solana Telegram bot. You have to click the Start button in the Telegram chat window. You have to locate your wallet address and fund the wallet with Solana. Lastly, you just have to review your settings to ensure you understand the optimized setup. Firstly, you will start in advanced mode. To access the more simple, familiar UI, which you will switch to simple mode. You will choose your priority gas fee, fast, turbo, or custom and set your own. You have to confirm your trades. If green, you will need to click your buy or sell. If red, when you click a buy amount or a sell percentage, you will instantly buy or sell. After doing all the steps, you're all set. You can send your link to the bot to start trading. So that's how to use Trojan Bot to trade Solana. It's easy and it's efficient. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helps you out.